Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review for you guys. Beauty Forever sent me one of their headband wigs for me to review for you guys. So I will be giving you guys my honest review. If I don't like it, I'll let you know. Then the information will be down below in my description box where you can purchase it. They do have their own store on Amazon where you can purchase this headband wig. Once again, the link and all the information will be down below.
As I mentioned before, this is the box that the headband wig came in. It has their logo on the box. I have not yet opened up the box, so let's go ahead and see what we're working with.
Inside of it, there's the headband wig. Like I said, you guys, I haven't opened this yet, so I don't know if it's gonna look good or not, but the headband wig, it came with two headbands. I'm not too fond of these headbands, but I have a few of my own that I'll probably try with this wig. And it also came with a wig cap.
I'm just showing you guys how I laid my hair down before I put the headband wig on. My hair is pretty thick and I didn't want the wig to look bulky when I put it on, so I just put a few braids in my hair and tucked it away. This is the only method that I could think of that was quick. I didn't try to make the braids look perfect because they were going to be tucked away, so I only did about 6 or 7 jumbo braids.
Alright, so I'm going to take this down. Hopefully it dried. Alright, so I got some castor oil over here. I'm just going to put some on my hands and just rub it throughout my hair.
The headband wig that Beauty Forever sent me is an ombre blonde highlight human hair headband wig. The hair color is a brown mixed with honey blonde streaks, and it is 14 inches. This wig might last me a while, you guys, because it didn't really shed much while I was brushing it, and surprisingly it feels real soft. The headband does have a Velcro piece at the end, and the Velcro piece is real strong, so the wig isn't going anywhere. If you want that extra protection, then the wig does come with 4 combs, one in the front, one in the back, and one on each side. And if that still isn't enough, there's an elastic piece at the back that helps you tighten the wig more. So I can't help but brush this hair. It's very soft and it feels real good. I would probably wear this on the run, and I think that's what most headband wigs are for, when you don't have anything done to your hair and you just want to go outside. Well, this is exactly what you need. Something quick. The back of the headband wig covered up pretty much everything. None of my hair was out, everything was covered. I don't know if I mentioned before, but this is my very first headband wig. I contemplated on if I should make me one or not, and I think that I will, but this one, the one that I make, will probably be a more natural one, only because I'm used to much tighter curls. But I'm sure that I could finesse this wig a little bit more and add more curls to it. Alright you guys, so this is the final result for the headband wig from Forever Beauty. This headband wig was super soft and easy to work with. If you guys would like to purchase this wig for yourself or someone else, the link will be down below in my description box, as well as a discount code. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.